You know in your pots and pans, you have that yellow stuff kind of stuck to the edges, especially on your bakeware from using PAM. It's really sticky and it won't come off. And I'm very sorry to tell you that it's adhered propellant onto your pans, pots and pans. The only way to get it off is a gasoline stripper. That's probably not that healthy. So better yet, I sell some pots and pans. But honestly though, it's one of those things you don't want to use. You don't want to use it on any of your pots and pans. Like I said, it took me a long time, 3 years in MasterChef, to realize how good of quality our stuff is. And I really believe in our cookware. I think our cookware is chef quality. It's top notch. You cannot get better in the industry. As of, I don't know the exact date, but a while ago, Teflon, not the brand name itself, but actually the coating, is illegal in Canada. They've said it's a known carcinogen. So if the Canadian government is telling us it's a known carcinogen, you know it's bad. So the way you can tell is if you can see your rivets here on your pots and pans, then you have the new technology, the DuPont system. It's a baked-on system. If you cannot see them and they're black like your pot and pan, you have Teflon, and those aren't flecks of pepper in your food, right? So you're going to want to think about changing that over. For those of you, I always say granolas, no offense. For those of you who are really green in granola and really believe in giving back to the environment and things like that, we do have a cookware for you. The ceramic white cookware is a mined resource, and it's 100% renewable resource. So for those people who are really into living green and being healthy, I would recommend the ceramic and a bar pan. Always the bar pan. Always. So